Why is it over? Man, people dey like, what's up? I dey vex for Nigerian government. I dey paro for them. Because intimidation wey I get this afternoon from these mocking people because of this color, it dey make me dey craze for Nigerian government. Nigerian government, if una no change, Ayinla go kill una. Ayinla go kill una. If una no change, we no go pray for una again. Na cause we go dey cause una. Make God punish all of una. The one that take dey there. The one that take God put our people for suffer for this Europe. God go punish all of una. Because if not be una, people like me no suppose enter road. No go kill una. See, if una don't change the 2019, we dey come home. We wan come fight una. Even though na blood, we go use our blood fight una. I'm busy. Here, una here, even though na our blood, now we wan spray for the country, for we not to pass this intimidation. If una get it, we wanna pass and give them. Say 2019, we dey come home. We wan come fight. We wan come fight them because violence take it by force. Una don't take our rights. Una don't take am and don't hold am strong. Come on, boss. Now I want to enter yours now. Come on, boss. Because I be black man. That boss don't carry me. I was only one boss later. He come, he back. He see me say a black man, he don't carry me. What's the level? Intimidation never reach the Nigerian government. I don't want our people better. I don't go spend our money for us. Our own money. We want to spend that for us. Our own money. Not be una papa o. Una here, not be una papa o. If una not change, they'll go kill una. All of una go die. If from una generation, not go see them for Nigeria again. The one that they rule that country, the one that they turn upside down. Where we say our youth, they call the vet, they call the enter road, go they die for road. Many youths don't condemn. Even for here where we dey, many youths they suffer, they die. Intimidation everywhere. Nigerian government, if una not change, I gotta go kill all of una now here. All of una not go see here though. Una generation, una bomb pikin when I go move for Europe, when I go move for America, they go school. When I live una children, people children for suffer. See, if una not change, 2019, we dey come home. All the youth in Europe, we will go home. We will go fight for our home. Make our home peaceful. Make our youth not dey die. Make not dey pass intimidation. The one who dey for Europe na suffering and smiling. No level for us. We dey suffer. Where we go fit talk, we no go fit talk. Because if we talk small, they go say go home. I come from station now, I dey report for police station. No, the police tell me say go home. Go home. She go let me go home. Eh? If you talk small for Europe, or if you go tell you say go home. Go home. Really, if you don't do good, like their country, if you don't like that, go home. Then we get home. We get home, Nigerian government. Una give us home. More than leave the people and let them come out. It's too much for una. If una don't want to repair the country, more than leave those people and let them come out. Who knows they go join them, go join them. Who knows they don't go join them, go live there. Nigerian government, more than leave una, more than spend our money for us. Now our money not be una oh. Una come inside for there. Now God that give us those wealth, those resources. Now God that give us. Make una spend that for us, Nigerian government. Our government, our people they die for Europe. Our people they die for Asia. Our people they die for India. Our people they die for America. Our people they die for everywhere. South Africa, Niger, Cotonou, Dunuku. People they die. Our people they die. We are not be lepers. Oku go kill una not change oh. Una not change. Oku go kill our Nigerian government. Any government of future will not change. Even though my brother dey there, my uncle dey there, my papa dey there, I rather go kill all of una when I tell the trouble our money. See, I can't do this video down now. Nigerian government, if we are not changed, 2019, anybody 30 years old, in fact, 40 years old cannot rule us again because he plays on Mouton. Football forever, like they go be. See them, they want to get the girl come abroad, they go treat her. They'll carry VIP, they'll talk first class flight. But people they die. People they die. More than not change. More than not change. As I dey vex so more than not change. More than say na God go demolish our family. Anything we na poor. That babalawo wey dey do about una. The babalawo go die for una head before una reach that shrine. Una hear? More than this one na way na white pass. Na beg grow. Hold me wey no dey shame. Hold me wey dey teach small pikin right. All those men wey dey teach small pikin right. Or go kill all of una this afternoon. Una die by motor accident. I go station me, I go report. Wetin police, wetin they do me? They say go back to your country if you don't like here. I don't like here, me I go my country. Abi, na truth. I don't like can go my country, but I get country where I want go. We are not use our own country to take out to una heaven. No go kill una. Because I'm picking up the pass with they pass through. Una generation of pass with they pass through. Eh? Now I don't like kill una this afternoon. More than die, the one I not expect. The one that they put that country to nonsense. Or go kill all of una, the one I not expect. Now yeah. Boys with talent, they don't be stay home. They enter desert because of una. Boys with talent, boys with glory. Cause they chop intimidation for here. When we say man, people they don't wait need our happiness to give them. Because of una stupidity, una nonsense, una selfishness. You have put billions of people for trouble. You have put billions of people for grave. Blood sucker. Vampire government on our Nigerian government. You are vampire, you are idiot.